Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. And today we're going to do a one-pan turkey vegetable skillet. We're going to start out with 1 pound of ground turkey. Okay, got it all. I'm going to bring this towards me. My burner, and just start breaking that up. We're going to want to fry the turkey up. And some vegetables that we're going to put inside of it are an onion, a bell pepper, and 2 zucchinis. Okay, so I'm going to wash these up, and I'm going to let this fry up, and we'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to wash those vegetables, and I'll bring you back, and we'll start cutting those vegetables. This is coming along just great. Perfect. Okay, we want to cut the ends off of the zucchini. I like to cut it into 3 pieces. It's just manageable for me like that. And then, well, this end is, well, yeah, we're going to cut each because it's in cubes. So that's how we're going to do that. Same thing here. My baby dog knows I'm in the kitchen, so he is being nosy. Okay, and this is how we have those cut up. Okay, I'm going to put these in my bowl. I already cut up one because I don't like wasting people's time. So we cubed those up. Next, let's tackle this. This is my easy way. I just like to cut that end off and then go in there and cut. And these come right off. Putting it to the side. And I like to get the ones with the 4 knobs on the bottom. It's a sweeter taste. And same thing here. We are just going to cube these up. Looks good to me. And I also use the ends. I like to pop out that centerpiece. And let's just use the end. Let's just use every bit of it. I like to kind of cut that little brown spot right there, where it grew off the vine. Okay, that one got it. See, like that little piece right there? Yeah, let's cut that off. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna go get my onion. Okay, and this is how I like to cut my onion. I really like to use my dicer, especially when I am doing lots of onions. Today, I'm manually dicing, which is okay. Okay, so see how this looks? And now I'm going to put that in my bowl of vegetables. Because I'm going to throw all these veggies in the pot with the ground turkey all at one time. Then we're going to hit it with some seasonings. So here I have one bell pepper, 1 onion, 2 zucchini. Okay, my turkey's done. Now I'm going to put in 1 bell pepper, 1 diced onion, and 2 diced zucchini. Mixing that up. Just a little stir. Okay. Grab you some olive oil. We're going to do a tablespoon. Woo, okay. I did a little bit more than a tablespoon. Oh, geez. But that's okay. That's okay. It wasn't like too much over. And we're going to do this. You know, get that oil everywhere. We're going to want to go in with 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And just kind of spread that everywhere. Perfect. And then a half a teaspoon of paprika. Yep, sprinkle that everywhere too. Also, we're going to go in with 1/4. You could use chicken broth or beef broth. I am using beef. All right, now that we have everything in, guess what? We're going to stir it again. So after this, I'm putting a lid over this, and I'm just going to let it cook. Let those vegetables cook. I'm going to go with medium heat. Alrighty. Alright, let those just sweat it out. I'm doing medium heat. We're going to come back and give it a little stir again. I am just stopping in to give this a stir. So I wanted to mention that this is a healthy dish, okay? While we are cooking this and getting those vegetables soft and cooked, you can put this, you can eat it just the way it is, or you could make some seasoned rice, or maybe some seasoned noodles, maybe buttered noodles, you know, whatever you feel like pouring. Mashed potatoes. I mean, I think it would be just great. But again, it's up to you. You control your side. But I do want to let you know what I'm doing. I love Asian rice. So I am making some Asian rice, and I am putting a teaspoon of this tomato chicken bouillon. I'm addicted to this stuff. So when you see my rice, when I plate this up, it's going to have like a little tinge of red to it, and that is why. And I only put in a teaspoon because I don't want to make this over salty. But you know, it's your meal. If you need to add salt, please do that. So the vegetables are finally starting to cook. Okay. Looks like we're getting done here. Okay, what I want to do, like here, look at the onions. Everything's getting translucent. But I want to go ahead and just do one more 1/4 cup of beef broth. Okay? But this is absolutely looking really good. And I just want to get that all hot. Okay, everything is done. And here's the rice. It has a little red tinge to it. We're just gonna scoop it up. Perfect. Put the lid back on it and then get it off the cooking burner. Okay, this is super hot. The rice is super hot. I'm gonna get some of the meat. This time I used a spoon. Get some of those vegetables. Oh boy, is this got some onion in there. That is super duper hot. Be careful of these. That was really hot, but delicious. This is very good. Okay, friends, if you liked this healthy recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more budget-friendly meals, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.